Epilogue.
Okay, baddies, so I'm about to get my toes done. This is a new place. Well, new place for me. My cousin goes here, and we about to get our toes done together. I think she might gotta get her nails done too. I'm not sure. I'm waiting on her come in. I literally don't see it. Am I slow? It's so hot out here, and I got on these leather latex ass pants. But yeah, you forget your face mask and you gotta walk back to the car. I'm really sick of coronavirus. I really am. And I done lost like 3 masks. Alright, so I'm gonna put on my mask real quick. Now I can go get these toes done. Okay, can you tell me where your white bodysuits are? White short sleeves?
We don't really have any anymore. They all went sale and they're kind of gone at this point.
Thank you. Okay, so that was a bus. Bad news for me. I'm about to get love. Oh shit. And hit too. Oh my god. Please get me out of this. Slow bubble, slow bubble, slow bubble, slow. Close. That was so close. Okay.
You have arrived at your destination.
Alright, so as y'all see, I was not able to get the damn bodysuits because the fucking mall was closing, so that was a fucking bust.
The next morning.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you already subscribed, if you're not subscribed, you need to go and subscribe so you become a baddie. In today's video, I'm going to be getting ready and freaking taking pictures for a photo shoot, so y'all gonna come with me to do that.
1, 2, 3.
I'm about to go get this hair slayed. This photo shoot is for rich style bundles, so make sure that y'all shop these bundles because they're high quality and affordable. And it's my cousin Brand, so y'all gotta shop and support her because she's another baddie, okay? So I'm gonna get my hair done right quick, and then I'm gonna come back and start getting ready and all that. It's 8 a.m. and I'm tired of shit, but yeah. And now I'm put over there. And we got all that stuff. I'm not sure. This is all the stuff for the photo shoot, and then I got my photo shoots in there. So I'm gonna get my hair done.
Perfect.
Alright, so I seen that and got my hair done, so I'm about to go wash and change into something like chill or whatever, just to put on before the photo shoot. And I'm about to go wash my face and all that before I get my makeup done, because I don't know if I'm next. But if I'm not next, I'm the next person after that person. So I need to go ahead and wash right quick so I can be done by the time she's done with the next girl's makeup. But yeah, my hair is super flat. Obviously, I can't see it yet because y'all gotta wait till the end of the video. I'm not gonna give y'all no sneak peeks. Y'all gotta wait till the end of the video to see. I know I'm looking crusty in the face right now, but that's why I'm about to go wash my face and wash and all good stuff like that. And once I get my makeup done, boo. Don't even tell me nothing. We're supposed to do like flat iron curls, but I just decided to keep it curly just because I haven't had curly in a little minute, and I like to do different hairstyles. I don't like to do the same thing back to back. So this is cute, and he did my baby hair is real cute. Y'all gonna be able to see in a little bit hopefully, but yeah, I'm about to go wash and stuff, and then I'll show y'all when I get my makeup done. Okay, my mouth is still swollen. I'm so mad. Like,
I don't like that.
I hope this don't like be obvious in the photo shoot, because I can kind of see it right now and I'm like, ugh, I hate that. But yeah, I'm about to go wash for real.
Perfect.
Alright, I done got my makeup done, my hair done. Nautical, come to the camera, let me see you. Cause Nautical look good. Oh, she got to put her chain on because we rich dolls over here. Oh, I gotta take my necklace off. But we rich dolls over here, all of us iced out. I'm so mad, my man's so mad.
Y'all look so cute.
Here's the CEO, Rich Doll Bundles. Go shop, minks and bundles. Show them the hair. Turn around. 613 hair.
Oh yeah,
She got
this
straight
is
hair.
D-Wave. This is D-Wave.
Look how good it's straight, and look at the
Straight.
body.
So shop with my girl. Guess
Stop.
what?
Period.
Look.
See how it swing? Look at that. That's deep wave hair. Look at that. Period. We thought, what?
Oh.
Baby.
On the what? Wait a minute. The who?
Chanel. Y'all, who see y'all look this cute?
Oh, okay.
Ice out chain? Oh, bye. I'm so dead.
Hell yeah. Fuck what they talking about. Period.
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 I'm so damn scrawny. I can't. I should got a one for real.
Eventually.
Okay, baddies, this at the photo shoot. The CEO is taking her pictures. We just looking cute over here taking pictures of Instagram and stories and stuff. Period. Not good stuff, you. You're here. Shot Rich Dog. Deep wave hair. Mink big blink lashes. Period. Shop, 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 shop. Well, I'm gonna show my private picture. Y'all really look at this. This is how rich style looks. Who don't want to do rich style? Cute. My damn half swollen. You can tell my cheeks swollen. Yeah, I can see that shit. Look at this one compared to this one.
Oh yeah. Why sweating?
Cause I had got my wisdom teeth taken out.
Oh yeah.
Yeah. He can play some mulatto or something.
Exactly.
Like BRB. Why the brain just keep going down?
Come on, man. Perfect. Perfect.
Okay, baby, so I'm about to change clothes so we can go out to eat, and we might go to Dave and Buster's. We ain't came back from the photo shoot. I've been trying to plan my hair and see how I'm gonna do this, but I don't know yet. I gotta tell nowhere. But I'm gonna update y'all when we leave and go somewhere. Okay, baddies, so we're here at the restaurant, but it's a 30-minute wait, so we walking down here by this pond so we can take some pictures. Say hey to Nautica. Both of us done changed clothes. We super cute. We sitting down here taking pictures and stuff. Y'all, the water's so pretty. Let me show y'all. It's so pretty. We about to take the bombest pictures by here. Look at Nautica drip. Nautica outfit is so cute. Okay, buddies, so we made it to the dinner table and we're looking at the menu right now. And it's so freaking pretty. I'm gonna show y'all. Fountain back there. It's so pretty. This definitely is
Perfect.